Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS EC2 for scalable VPS. To register with AWS EC2 for a scalable VPS infrastructure, begin by navigating to the AWS homepage. Click on the Create an AWS Account button. If you already have an account, select Sign in to the console. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Provide your account name and proceed to the next step. Enter your contact information, including your name, country, and phone number. Select whether your account is for personal use or business use. Accept the AWS customer agreement and click Continue. Next, choose a support plan that suits your needs. You can start with the free tier plan. Click Continue to move to the payment information section. Enter your credit card or payment details to activate your account. AWS may perform a small, temporary charge to verify your payment method. Once verified, you will receive an email to confirm account activation. Log into your AWS Management Console using your credentials. Search for EC2 in the Services menu and select it. Click on the Launch Instance button to create a new virtual server. Choose an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, that fits your requirements. Select the instance type based on your anticipated workload. Click Next, Configure Instance Details. Configure settings like the number of instances and network details. Proceed to the next step to add storage to your instance. Specify the size and type of storage you want to attach. Click Next, Add tags to categorize your instance for better management. You can add tags like name, environment, or owner. Continue by clicking Next, Configure Security Group. Create a security group that defines rules for inbound and outbound traffic. Review your selections, ensuring everything is configured correctly. Finally, click Launch to start your instance. A prompt will appear to select or create a new key pair for SSH access. Choose your key pair or create a new one and make sure to download it. Once everything is set, click on Launch Instances. Your instance will begin to initialize and will be available shortly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.